So in this problem, we are provided with three numbers A, B, and C, and these three numbers are in harmonic progression. Then we need to check that the value of this particular expression is greater than or equals to which of the following option. Let us begin. So we'll start with a given condition. So it is given that these three numbers A, B, and C are in harmonic progression. So if they're in harmonic progression, that would mean that B is the harmonic mean of A and C. If B is the harmonic mean of A and C, then our expression for B is going to become 2 times AC divided by A plus C. So let's label this as number 1. Now coming to our expression, so we will consider A plus B divided by 2A minus B added to C plus B divided by 2C minus B. So that's equals to A plus, all we have to do is replace or substitute the value with the expression as obtained in number 1. So in place of B, we have 2AC divided by A plus C, whole divided by 2A minus B. So B is 2AC divided by A plus C. Added to, we have C plus B, so C plus, now B will be 2AC divided by A plus C, whole divided by, we have 2C minus B, so B will be 2AC divided by A plus C. So let's simplify this. What we'll do, we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator of the first term with A plus C. So we have A multiplied to A plus C plus 2AC, whole divided by 2A times A plus C minus 2AC. That will be added to C multiplied to A plus C plus 2AC, whole divided by 2C times A plus C minus 2AC. So we get A squared plus AC, and we already have a 2AC, so this will be A squared plus 3AC divided by, we have 2A squared plus 2AC, 2A squared plus 2AC, but we also have a negative 2AC, and that gets cancelled. Now for the next term, we have CA plus C squared plus 2AC, so that's going to be simply C squared plus 3AC, whole divided by, now we have 2 times CA plus 2C squared minus 2AC, so we'll be left with only 2C squared. Now what we'll do, we'll divide each terms in the numerator with 2A squared, so we have A squared over 2A squared plus 3AC over 2A squared added to C squared over 2C squared plus 3AC over 2C squared. This gives us half plus 3 over 2 times C over A added to 1 over 2 plus 3 A over 2C. Now we can add half and half, that will be 1. Then 3 over 2 can be taken as a common factor from the second and the fourth term. So we have C over A plus A over C. So this is the expression for A plus B over 2A minus B added to C plus B divided by 2C minus B. So we have obtained that's equals to 1 plus 3 over 2 times C over A plus A over C. Now our goal will be to obtain the value of C over A plus A over C. Now in the problem itself, it was given that A, B, C, this is in harmonic progression, which means that B is the harmonic mean of A and C. Now we can immediately say that B is also the arithmetic mean of A and C, which implies that B must be equals to A plus C over 2. B is also going to be the geometric mean of A and C, which means B must be equals to square root of A times C. And since we already have that B is in ABC are in harmonic progression, then B is the harmonic mean of A and C, which means that B must be equals to 2 times AC over A plus C. But we're going to use the fact here. We know that the arithmetic mean is always greater than the geometric mean. The arithmetic mean is greater than or equals to the geometric mean. So here, that means arithmetic mean of A and C, which is simply A plus C over 2. So that's going to be greater than or equals to square root of AC. Fine. So let's do one thing. Let's square both sides. So we have A plus C over 2 whole squared. Now squaring is not going to flip the sign of the inequality. So we're going to have square root of AC whole square on the left side. That gives us A squared plus 2ac plus c squared divided by 4. So this is greater than or equals to ac. Now a, b, c, these are all positive numbers. So we're going to divide by ac, and that's also not going to change the inequality symbol. So we have a squared over 4ac plus 2ac over 4ac plus c squared over 4ac. So this is greater than or equals to now 1. This is going to give us a over 4c plus we have half plus c over 4a greater than or equals to 1. Fine. So we have a over 4c plus c over 4a greater than or equals to 1 minus half, which means we have 1 over 4 as the common factor. We have a over c plus c over a. This is greater than or equals to 1 minus 1 half is simply half. We're going to multiply both sides with positive 4. So that leaves us with a plus c over c plus a. This is going to be greater than or equals to. We have 4 divided by 2, which is simply 2. Or we can say that a over c plus c over a. This is greater than or equals to 2. So this is a new relationship we have obtained. Now let's come back to our problem. Now this is what we already obtained. A plus b over 2a minus b plus c plus b over 2c minus b equals 1 plus 3 over 2 times c over a plus a over c. Just now we showed that this relation c over a plus a over c, this is greater than or equals to 2. Since this is greater than or equals to 2, then we can say that a plus b divided by 2a minus b plus c plus b divided by 2c minus b. So this is also going to be greater than or equals to 1 plus 3 over 2 multiplied to 2. So we have 2 and 2 cancelling out, and this is now giving us the final value a plus b over 2a minus b added to c plus b over 2c minus b. So this is greater than or equals to 4. So this is the relationship that we have just now obtained. So let's verify which option is the correct one. So we can see here that option number B, so that is the correct option. So that means this entire expression is going to be greater than or equals to 4.